Well, welcome back, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have some work to do today. We're going to do some work on this wood pile again. I already have a bunch of logs stacked up on the table, and we're going to split those. In a few minutes, my wife will be here, and we're going to take care of this. So let's get these split up. I have a bunch of work to do today, and I want to get this done because I need that table right behind us. The last few days been pretty nice. I ended up getting a bunch of totes over there. So, all right, let's get this going, and we'll see you at the splitter. It's a beautiful day out. We're in the middle of this heat wave right now. It's supposed to be in the mid 90s again today, probably upper 80s right now. We have a nice breeze, not bad at all. As I mentioned, this is a SuperSplit HD kinetic splitter, very fast, much faster than my old hydraulic. For me, it gets done exactly what I need to do. So this is cut up. I'm gonna get this split. This is for our outdoor boiler, so I split them pretty big. We need about 20 cord to get it, 15 to 20 to get us through a season. And after that, we have a lot of work to do. The reason I'm doing this today in this heat, one, I want to get a basket a week done. This will be about a basket worth right here, maybe a little less. But I need this table for a bunch of slabs because I have a big milling job tomorrow. I think it's a little over, well, it's not real big. It's like maybe 1,200 board feet. I'll have to measure it again. I can't recall. 6 nice logs. So I need some space for the slabs, and I'm going to use that slab table. 2 pulls. First one to prime it, and it'll start. One of you mentioned, and it's a great idea, and I'm going to do that, but tomorrow's job's really big, to put my slab table, that bucking table right here where the slabs roll off, and just roll them right onto the slab table, or the bucking table. I think that's a great idea, but I have all these now here, and I need to move these. And I got a big, like I said, a big job tomorrow. So we're going to get these moved and put those on the bucking table. So what I move them with is I have a Mahindra tractor, 1533. It's I think it's about a 35 horsepower. It does pretty good. I wish I had a little bit more, but hey, that's what I have. So I don't have a grapple. So picking slabs up can be awkward at times. Let's see if we can pick them all up. We can. Almost all. Here are 4 of the 6 logs that I'm doing tomorrow. These are really big. This is a maple, and then we have 3 cherries right next to it. And I put these up here last night. Tomorrow I'm going to cut them, but I noticed they're really dirty, so I'm going to take them down and I'm going to go power wash them. Let me show you all the, I mean, the maple's not that bad, but I might as well wash them all. You can see it's just this mud all the way down the logs. This log has a big crack. Ooh, all the way to here. Not going to get much out of that. I don't know what we'll do with that, but we'll cut it as a log and just cut around the crack probably. This is my only Husky tool that I own. All 6 of them are washed. I got to trim 2 of them to size, and then we're ready to cut. good to me. Yep. No go gauge. If the strings within that line is good, it's really easy to see that way. And I find this is the best way to do it. I got that, is his name Lumberjack, Captain Jack? He runs a Woodland Mills wood mill, and I saw him do that. What a fantastic idea. All right. The last thing I want to do is I want to get this tractor cleaned up for the day. If you've never used these things, look into these things. This is from Chemical Guys. It comes with this and a big gallon of their soap. You only use about an ounce of it, and this will foam up that entire tractor. I've had one of those cheaper ones. Let me tell you, these don't compare. These are all brass. This is all brass. Very durable up here. Works great. That cheap one I had, a lot of plastic. And it didn't last. This one, yeah, it's a little pricey, but much better than those cheaper ones that I found. It could have been just, I had a bad experience with a cheap one. This just clips on the end of your power wand, and you're off and running. That's a full day, guys. That's 5 o'clock, heading out to dinner. Wife and I are going out to eat tonight, and we will see you next time. Hopefully you liked the video. It's just a day in my life out here at the homestead. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that thumbs button, and don't forget to comment.